Ever feel like the world's a tangled mess, just begging for you to swoop in and fix it? You, armed with your righteous indignation and grand plans, ready to bend reality to your will? Well, hold on to your capes, because what if the revolution doesn't start with picket signs and bullhorns? What if, according to the wisdom of Neville Goddard and ancient mystics alike, the key to a better world lies not in changing the outside, but in transforming ourselves? Now, I know it sounds counterintuitive. We're wired to think action now, results later, right? But this, my friends, is a paradigm shift worth pondering. For years, I chased change like a runaway puppy, barking at every injustice, pushing agendas, trying to bend the world to my vision. But guess what? I ended up frustrated, exhausted, and yes, a little lost. Until I stumbled upon Neville Goddard's teachings, and boom, mind blown. You see, Neville proposed a radical idea. The world reflects our inner state. It's a giant cosmic mirror, showing us not what it is, but what we believe it to be. So, if we want a kinder, fairer world, it all starts with shifting the image we project within. Call me crazy, but it clicked. This mirror principle became my guiding light. Slowly, I started focusing on myself, tending to the garden of my thoughts, weeding out negativity, and planting seeds of compassion and joy. And wouldn't you know it? The world outside began to bloom too. This ain't just Neville's jam, though. From the Bible's change yourself first, and then the world will follow, to the yogic principle of as within, so without, the wisdom echoes across time and cultures. It's like the universe keeps whispering, hey, fix your inner projector, and the movie outside will get amazing. So, curious rebels, are you ready to dive into this rabbit hole with me? Buckle up, because this journey ain't about protesting at town hall. It's about rewiring our hearts, reprogramming our minds, and becoming the change we so desperately want to see. And trust me, when your inner projector flickers with hope and love, the world's gonna be in for a dazzling light show. Now, hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this mind-bending adventure together. This is where the real revolution starts, inside out. Imagine reality as a vast, shimmering mirror. Every thought, every feeling, every flicker of intention ripples across its surface, shaping the reflections we see. This, in essence, is the mirror principle, a truth echoed in whispers through ancient wisdom and now amplified by the whispers of quantum physics. And my friends, this is the first law in our today's discussion. The external world, the grand tapestry of our experiences, is woven from the threads of our internal landscape. It's not that things simply happen to us, we co-create our reality by the images we project onto the mirror. Fear paints a world of shadows, doubt smears it with murk, while joy and hope splash vibrant colors across the canvas. We are, quite literally, the artists of our own existence. But where do these images come from? Enter the all-space, a term not confined to physical dimensions, but encompassing the boundless realm of potentiality. Within this quantum soup, every possibility vibrates, every dream shimmers, every outcome waits to be born. It's the canvas on which we sketch our desired reflections, our truest selves waiting to be expressed. Think of it like tuning a radio. Different channels, different realities, all exist simultaneously in the vastness of the all-space. Our focus, our persistent vibration, acts as the dial, aligning us with the frequency of our chosen reflection. But here's the catch, consistency is key. A fleeting wish is a faint signal, easily drowned out by the cacophony of the all-space. It's the unwavering belief, the unfaltering intention that cuts through the noise and amplifies our desired reality. Imagine, for instance, a sculptor chipping away at a block of marble. He holds the vision of a majestic eagle in his mind, and with each stroke he brings it closer to manifestation. There might be moments of doubt, whispers of uncertainty, but he persists, chipping away, focusing on the eagle's image. Eventually, the stone yields, and the majestic bird takes flight, not just in the physical world, but first in the sculptor's unwavering belief. This is the heart of the mirror principle. It's not about forcing reality to bend to our whims, It's about aligning ourselves with the frequency of our desires, becoming channels for their expression. It's about painting our inner mirror with vibrant brushstrokes of faith, persistence, and unwavering focus. The quantum realm whispers promises of limitless possibilities, the all-space humming with the echoes of every conceivable dream. But it's our internal compass, our unwavering belief, that steers us towards the reflection we most desire. So, step into the artist's studio of your mind, pick up the brush of unwavering intention, and paint the masterpiece of your reality. Remember, in the vast mirror of existence, the reflection we see is always a choice, a reflection of the artist we choose to be. Now, my friends, imagine reality as a shimmering surface, reflecting not just our actions, but the very essence of our being. This is the stage where Law 2, unity of heart and mind, takes center stage. It whispers a profound truth. Our most potent reflections arise from the harmonious dance of our thoughts and emotions. When our heart and mind sing in unison, the image projected onto the mirror of reality pulsates with power. Think of a painter, brush a light with passion, translating a vision that burns in their soul. Every stroke is guided by the symphony of their emotions, each color echoing a deeper truth. When this inner orchestra plays in perfect harmony, the canvas comes alive, a masterpiece echoing the unity within. Yet, just as a discordant note can mar the melody, misalignment of our heart and mind can distort the reflection we present. Consider the chronic worrier, their head spinning with anxious thoughts, while their heart yearns for serenity. Like a painter caught in a storm, their brushwork becomes frantic, smearing the canvas with fear and doubt. The reflection they project? A landscape shrouded in shadows, far from the tranquil haven their heart desires. This misalignment bleeds into our daily lives in countless ways. The student striving for academic excellence, fueled by external pressure rather than genuine passion, stumbles through exams, the joy of learning eclipsed by a gnawing sense of inadequacy. The entrepreneur driven by ambition, their heart aching for connection, builds an empire of isolation, the warmth of human interaction sacrificed on the altar of success. The most insidious pitfall lies in the murk of unclear intentions. We harbor desires, whisper wishes into the void, but the image we present to the mirror remains hazy, an indistinct watercolor washed away by the tide of doubt. Is it wealth we truly crave or the freedom it promises? Is it power we seek or the respect it might garner? When our internal compass spins, the reflection on the mirror becomes a distorted echo, leading us down paths paved with dissatisfaction. Law 2, then, is a call to orchestrate the symphony within. It's about aligning the whispers of our heart with the focused clarity of our minds. It's about understanding the emotions that fuel our desires, dissecting the motivations that guide our actions. Only then can we paint a clear, vibrant image on the mirror of reality, an image that resonates with the melody of our authentic selves. Remember, the reflection we see is not merely a passive response, it's a vibrant dance, a co-creation between our inner orchestra and the vast potential of the universe. So, tune your instruments, listen to the rhythm of your heart, and let your mind become the brush that paints a masterpiece of unity on the canvas of reality. For it is in this harmonious dance that our truest dreams manifest, and life becomes a reflection of the beautiful symphony playing within our souls. Friends, have you ever dreamt of a future so vividly you could taste its sweetness on your tongue? A vision so clear, it felt like an alternate reality shimmering just beyond your fingertips. This, my friends, is the essence of Law 3, clarity of image. In the vast mirror of reality, it's our ability to paint a vibrant, detailed picture that dictates whether our dreams remain wispy wishes or blossom into tangible experiences. For years I was a master of avoidance. A skilled painter, yes, but one who wielded his brush to erase potential failures, to obscure ambitions with layers of what-ifs and maybes. My reality? A landscape of missed opportunities, shrouded in the fog of indecision. Then Law 3 cracked open my self-constructed cage. it whispered the potent truth. A blurred image on the mirror reflects a blurred reality. Clarity, it insisted, is the chisel that sculpts our desires into existence. Armed with this newfound awareness, I started painting with laser focus. My brushstrokes became bolder, guided by a vision of myself not escaping failure, but conquering it. I saw myself facing challenges with a warrior's heart, celebrating victories with open arms. The internal dialogue shifted from "I can't" to "I will," from "maybe someday" to "starting now." And guess what? The mirror of reality responded. Doors I once deemed locked creaked open. Opportunities I couldn't even visualize before materialized like desert flowers after a downpour. The fear of failure, once a hulking shadow, shrunk to a manageable nuisance, easily swatted away by the unwavering fire of my focused image. It wasn't always sunshine and rainbows. There were stumbles, moments of doubt, days when the fog threatened to return. But the beauty of Law 3 lies in its iterative power. Each time I recommitted to the clarity of my image, the reflection strengthened, its colors deepening, its details sharpening. Remember, the universe doesn't respond to whispers and half-dreams. It craves vivid visions, unwavering clarity. So pick up your brush, my friend. Paint your picture with the boldest colors of your desires. Infuse it with the unwavering certainty of your "I will." For in the dance of manifestation, it's the clarity of your image that dictates the symphony of your reality. Go forth, paint your masterpiece, and watch the mirror of the universe dance to the rhythm of your dreams. Dear friends, one last time, just imagine a laser, its intense beam burning through darkness, carving a path towards its destination. This, my friends, is the essence of Law 4, target fixation. Just as the laser's power lies in its unwavering focus, our ability to manifest desires hinges on our capacity to fix our gaze on the bullseye of our dreams. We humans are curious creatures, drawn to the bright, the shiny, the immediate. Like moths to a flame, we can get fixated on obstacles, distractions, and even the very anxieties we wish to avoid. This target fixation on the negative, unfortunately, casts our desired outcomes into the shadows, blurring the path towards their achievement. Think of a climber scaling a mountain. If their focus is solely on the treacherous drop below, their steps falter, their grip weakens. But if they shift their gaze to the summit, the sturdy handholds, the breathtaking vista that awaits, their ascent becomes a dance of grace and determination. This shift in focus, this retargeting of our internal laser, is the key to unlocking the power of Law 4. So how do we paint a clear, precise image on the mirror of reality, one that guides us like a beacon towards our desired outcomes? Here are a few potent brushstrokes. First, craft your vision board. Visually represent your dreams, aspirations, and goals. Images, quotes, and even affirmations can become powerful anchors for your focus, reminding you of the summit you strive to reach. Second, cultivate a positive internal dialogue. Replace the chatter of doubt with affirmations of confidence and self-belief. Speak to yourself as you would to a beloved friend, encouraging, empowering, and reminding you of your inherent strength. Third, practice gratitude. Instead of fixating on what you lack, celebrate what you have. Gratitude shifts your focus from the void of absence to the abundance of the present, paving the way for even greater abundance to manifest. Fourth, embrace mindfulness. Train your mind to be present in the moment, savoring the journey as much as the destination. Mindfulness allows you to navigate distractions and setbacks without losing sight of your ultimate target. Remember, Law 4 is not about ignoring challenges, it's about choosing where we direct our attention. When we fixate on our desires, we paint a vibrant image on the mirror of reality, a target that ignites our inner laser and guides us, step by focused step, towards their manifestation. So, pick your target, my friend, focus your laser, and watch the universe conspire to paint your dreams onto the canvas of your life. And there you have it, folks. The mirror principle, a cosmic truth whispering through time, reminding us that the world outside is just a reflection of the world within. We learned about the 4 laws that unlock the magic of manifestation. Remember, the real revolution isn't on the streets. It's in your mind, your heart, your soul. It's in rewriting the stories you tell yourself, in choosing focus over fear, in nurturing the seeds of hope inside. So take a deep breath, look inward, and ask yourself, what image am I projecting onto the mirror of reality? Is it clouded with doubt? Or is it vibrant with the colors of your wildest dreams? The choice, my friends, is yours. If this video resonated, do us a favor and smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. We've got a wealth of knowledge waiting to be unlocked, and we'd love for you to join us on this journey of inner transformation. Until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your families, and remember, the power to change the world starts with you. You are the artist, the masterpiece, and the mirror. Now go forth and paint your reality with all the glorious audacity of your dreams.